Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Hobby. Back at you guys again with another video today. On today's video, we are doing another sneaker unboxing. Now, this unboxing I've been waiting to get in from Nike ID. These shoes released maybe about like 3 to 4 weeks ago, somewhere in that time frame. It was a super hyped up limited release. I still don't know how I got them. It wasn't even a shoe I didn't even really want. I kind of just went after it because, you know, why not? Figured it would have some resale value to it. Not a reseller, but I figured let's just see if I could try to get these. You know, like people do this shit all the time. They enter on draws and they end up flipping it. Whatever. But that's what I kind of did with these. I ended up getting them, and I figured I'd show them off today. Like I said, Nike ID, so you see the box. But before we get into the shoes, please hit that like and subscribe button and follow me on Instagram to see how I style my sneakers and clothes. That link will be in the description below. So yeah, let's just get right into this. Haven't got Nike ID since I made those kind of like MCA design ones for the MCA Off-White Air Force One. I kind of did my own design. I ended up sending those back though, so I didn't end up keeping those because I actually got the regular MCAs, but that's not the point. So Nike by You, as you can see, and these are the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force One. Nike by Andrew, size 10. I regularly wear. I don't think I mentioned this in my other Air Force One video, but I regularly wear a 10.5 in my regular shoes. However, in Air Force Ones, I do go a half size down. So this is a size 10. Let's just open this box to show you guys. If you guys don't know, it just comes with this Nike by You paper. Oh, it actually says have a Nike day. I didn't even really pay attention, but yeah, some Nike by You paper. But yeah, let's just get into the shoe. Who cares about the box? And bang, bang, here they are. Right shoe got red Air. Left shoe got yellow Flea. I kind of did like a little fire and lightning. That was kind of my inspiration. I actually had all yellow. I knew I was going to go black with these. The options for these, you could choose a white or black base. I went with black. And then you had to have Air on the right side of this shoe. But on the left shoe, you could have Flea or Sunshine. I chose Flea. Like I said, you couldn't really take your time with these. You had to be quick. I'm lucky I got to do 2 different color options. So like one red, one yellow, because I think a lot of people are going to get stuck with just getting all one color since it was kind of a hectic release. It took a while for me to check out. I just kept on trying it and finally just went through. So I got kind of lucky, I guess. So yeah, I actually, like I was saying before, I actually was all yellow. I went with all yellow, so I had yellow Flea, yellow Air. And at the last second, I decided to change this to the red Air. So I was like, oh, why am I being so basic? I'm just going to do something different. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think of these. I mean, I think they came out pretty well. I'm just not really an Air Force One kind of guy. So, I really have no trouble partying away with these. By the way, Cactus Plant Flea Market is kind of like a up-and-coming streetwear brand, fashion brand. Started getting big around 2017. Pharrell was wearing it, Kanye was wearing it. And now the brand's doing a ton of artist collaborations. Like they just did some Jesus King merch. They just did the new Kid Cudi hoodie. So they do a ton of like artist merch and they do a ton of clothing. So it's a pretty poppin' brand right now. And this is their second Nike by You. The first one was the Sponge Blazer, which I actually passed on. I designed one, but I didn't decide to get it. I think I like the Blazer better. I don't know. I really like this. The big lettering on this shoe, by the way, is from the Nike Air More Up Tempo, which is like the Scottie Pippen basketball shoe he wore back in the day. I actually really do like Up Tempos a lot, and I like how she incorporated Cactus Plant Flea Market is ran by a female. I like how she decided to put the Up Tempo branding on the side of the Air Force One. Other than that, you just pretty much have a black standard Air Force One that you could buy at Foot Locker. Now there are 2 different insoles in here I should mention. The right shoe has this like blue, kind of looks like a weather radar on the inner. And then on the left shoe, it's kind of red or orangish pinkish. Let me see if I can get in there. That's what that looks like on the left shoe. I don't want to undead stock these because I'm getting rid of these, or I don't want to really untie them because I probably will be parting away with these just because I've been buying way too many shoes and I just don't have a need for all these shoes. But nonetheless, if you guys like Cactus Plant Flea Market or just like Air Force Ones, these are definitely a dope pair of sneakers. These did retail at $130, by the way, so not bad at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it on these. I'm happy I hit on these. The only thing else I would like to add is that the Nike by You things, I still don't understand how the Nike by You sells out. I mean, honestly, I feel like it's kind of bullshit that a lot of people weren't able to get these who really wanted them. I know it sucks. I just said that because I'm like probably just going to get rid of these and sell them. But my point was, like, if you're going to have a Nike by You, it should be like a pre-order. Like, you should get like at least a half hour. They should just keep it open for a half hour where anyone can get them. Because Nike by You shouldn't be like a hassle to have to check out. And another thing about the Nike by You is that if you're rushing people through it, they're not going to be able to really customize the shoe. They're just going to pick the most basic options and get the most basic shoes. So it's going to be interesting to what the market looks like for these. Obviously, you can't like sell these on StockX or anything. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see like what people's pairs look like and what people did. There was like 5 different color options for like the up tempo, like this, like the color right here. There's like 5 different options. There was like orange, red, blue, green, yellow, and I think that's it. But yeah, overall not bad. Like I said, I'm not the biggest Air Force One guy, so it's not really like a shoe I need to have in my collection. But if you are a fan of Cactus Plant Flea Market and you are a fan of Air Force Ones, this would be like probably your dream collaboration. So Air Force Ones are iconic, and there go the shoes. But anyways, I'll give you guys one last look. As you can see, right shoe says Air in red, and the left shoe says Flea in yellow. I really do like how the yellow pops on this one. I kind of wish I would have went all yellow because the red's kind of like not as bright. I thought it would be brighter, but it is what it is. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, fire and lightning. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys made them, follow me on Instagram and send me a picture of your guys' creation. Because I want to see what some people did with these. I want to see what everyone else's pairs are looking like. Since it is a Nike by You shoe, you know, people get to show off their creative talents. But anyways, that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.